Alright there, YouTube. So we're back with our project 1983 Peterbilt 359 Old Red. In today's video, for my birthday this year, my wife got me a steering wheel for the truck. She wants to help install it, so that's what we're going to do today.
You can take it over.
Okay. I'm just going to pry the horn button out, I think.
It's already all fingerprinted out.
You can probably just even set that out of the way somewhere for the moment until we get this one out. Oh wow, it's really big. You could take the nut off. You want to get the nut off?
It's just gonna. Oh. I'm scared. How do I.
Just hold it down and pull the trigger.
Nope.
So you got the nut off.
Oh my god.
Off it comes. I think we have to actually assemble this before we put it on. I think we put these. Hold this. And these nuts should go in from this side, or bolts rather. Actually, yeah, if you want to turn the steering wheel upside down, just kind of hold it up in the air like that. Go ahead and tip it this way. Okay. Turn it so it's straight, set it on there.
It's beautiful.
It was mahogany wood, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. I don't like that thing.
What?
God. Just place it in there. Oh, wow. That didn't take long.
No, that was actually pretty easy. Hold this one up next to that one.
Jesus, this is heavy. Shit. Like 10 pounds.
Old wheel, new wheel.
This is so shaky. This is probably not usable. You should probably just mount it.
These things will get stuck on wet grass,
Huh.
especially when you don't have any weight on them, like there's no trailer even hooked up.
Oh.
Or maybe you could do it, Chet.
Nope.
Come on.
No way. I would stumble over that.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a great day.